Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm in the house with the Mayo Persian knife here with me for a quick maintenance video, but hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment down below. Check out Fablades.com if you are in the market for some knives or fidget toys. And you know what? You can also check out at Fablades on Instagram to see what kind of pictures I'm putting up. But enough with the talking, let's do the doing. And look at this. That's a pretty cool titanium frame lock from the man himself, Tom Mayo. We're going to start with a screwdriver and a T6 Torx bit screw for the handle. We're just going to tackle this bad boy from this side like that. Just very nice and gentle. And this is out. And then we're going to do the second one like so. And this is also coming out nicely, not spinning. And boom, that is done. Let's see. I can do something like this. And this guy definitely, he doesn't want to come out. But notice the difference in length. That is interesting. I'm not sure why, but we have a different in length for these screws. And let's take a T8 Torx bit to take down the pivot on this side, which it was spinning probably, and it's blind from the other side. So, I'm not really sure how I did that, but let's see. Yeah, definitely spinning. Very, very interesting. So here I'm still keeping this pinched, and then I'm just opening the blade to reduce the tension. And just very, very gently. Let's actually open the blade like that. There you go. This comes out. Yeah, definitely we've got some IKBS bearings going on. We're gonna need a set of tweezers. And let's do this, guys. Very, very interesting. I love it. Wasn't expecting that for sure. But yeah, because I forgot this guy was running on IKBS. But not a biggie. We're ready for that. Not a problem. So grab these bearings. There's a lot of gunk going on there. We're gonna take care of that for sure. We don't like this at all, right? So a little bit gunky here. I don't know if this is like from factory or what, but we like it cleaner and smoother. So the action wasn't really something I would write home about. We're gonna clean that in a second. And here we can just maybe push out. Not really. It's all right. Not gonna push out anything. We're just gonna do this. Look at this. You're gonna push out these balls from their track. And like that, taking our time. There you go. Just a lump of caviar. Look at that. Gotta take some alcohol here. And you know what? I'm just gonna do this. Just gonna pour a little bit on the mat, which is all right. I'm gonna clean my tweezers first. Then I'm just gonna do this. Look, just that. And just having the alcohol do its job, degreasing all the grease that was here. Then I'm just gonna drag them around like that, all together. There you go. Now gathering them all at that place where I'm just gonna dry them out, and then I'm just gonna bring it back like so. There you go. Now they feel much cleaner. And like that, soaking everything up. Here you go. So now these are fine. Let's see, nothing is there. So that is very good. All right, cool. So let's do this here. Just gonna get rid of this stopping right there. Wow, that's an interesting amount of grease. And like here, we're just gonna clean up. So I'm thinking, which oil should I use? 85 or 10? That I don't know. I'm thinking I'm more inclined to do, like, seeing the level of thickness of that grease, I'm more inclined to do like an 85 kind of deal. Not sure, to be honest. Let's clean the, oh, this needed the cleaning. Yeah, definitely needed. Yeah, let's do a thorough cleaning of this area. We don't want anything in the bearing track, like so. There you go. That's good. And this is good too. Alrighty, so let's go back with this process. This guy is definitely in place. And now we're gonna start right over here. Grab a little bit of patience, and you know what? I might need, in this case, another kind of tweezers. A little bit more expensive than those. Yeah, definitely working much better than those. Here you go. Actually, with the pivot in place, it's pretty alright. It's not such a bad deal. Like, for example, which one was the Oleinikov? I guess it was harder. Another one that was a little bit harder was the Herman Slim, I think. Here we go. So this side is done. Correct. And we're gonna do this guy here. All right. And then actually we didn't clean the blade at all. Oh yeah. Wow, even inside the stopping track. Look at this, like that. Just use like something like that to clean inside. And yeah, we are good to go. So here I said non-oil, 10 weights probably, or 85. You know what? I'm just gonna go with 10. And like 3 drops of that. Okay, so that is good. And then, you know, blade goes in. Like so. All right. Then we got an option. Either I'm just gonna do, there's a little bit of gunk here still. Either I'm gonna do the balls here. Look at that. Wow, that was close. Either I'm gonna do the balls here all around or there and trying to sandwich this guy back, which probably is the easiest option. So just gonna move this guy up like so. this guy down like there. Hopefully I didn't miss anything. But actually, guys, no, they're gonna... no, it's not gonna work because there's nothing on the other side. So I don't know. Let's try like that. You think they're gonna stick around that pivot? Maybe. Let's see. Yeah. That's a tricky one, guys. That is super tricky. Wow, look at that. So, okay. Not really sure about this, to be honest with you guys. But let's try. If you don't try, you will never know. Right? Look at that. Bouncing. 3 more. Look at that. Running away. Oof. Wow, look at that. Is that gone? Okay. This is crazy, guys. This is nuts. So there's a little room that we're gonna make for this ball over here. Wow. You see that? Yeah, I did. So I'm gonna do 10 weight nano oil. Hopefully this is gonna hold everything in place, and 1-2 drops for the detent ball as well. Now I gotta align everything here and here, and now I have to hope that this is gonna work like that. Correct? I don't know. I have no idea. Officially, no clue going on. And let's do this. So if this goes all the way down, kinda like that, we are lucky. Correct? Oof. This looks good, guys. This looks pretty good to me. So flipping this over like so, switching the bit to a T6. This guy goes here. Take your time. Hurry up. Choice is yours. Don't be late. Correct? But we are not in a hurry. We are interested in doing things nicely and correctly. So this is done. And this is done. And that is done as well, guys. Did it. That's pretty cool. There's a lot of blade play. We're gonna fix that in a second. But yeah, I'm pretty happy about this. Oh yeah, definitely we need some tightening up. Blade is pretty centered to me. There's a little bit of blade play still. So let me see if we can crank this guy down a little bit more without... Oh yeah. Ooh. Guys, this is much improved. Like, big time improved. Our blade feels solid. And the action also feels another level. Oh yeah. This is how you tune up a Tom Mayo Persian blade. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.